Magandang araw at magandang gabi po sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naaabot ng video na ito. Welcome po dito sa AMBO Avoy Mix Videos. Ngayon po, pahinga po muna tayo dito sa mga issue sa Pilipinas, ano? At meron po tayong good news, no? At makakauwi na yung mga astronaut na naka-assign dito sa space station, no? Mahirap yatang malayo sa pamilya. So, ang SpaceX po ay nagpadala ng mga bagong crew at ito ay sina Anne McClain, Nicole Ayers, Takuya Onishi, isang Hapon po yan, at isang taga-Russian, USSR, si cosmonaut Kirill Peskov. No? So, ito po yung video, no, mula sa Video from Space, no, ng SpaceX. So, eto na po, tingnan po natin ang kanilang countdown at saka pag-launch, no? 4 na astronaut po ang sakay nito at sinasabing sugal ang kanilang buhay. Kasi kada lipad ng isang rocket, pwede itong magpalya o sumabog. Mula sa Video from Space, eto na po ang video. Sama-sama natin bigyan ng ating reaction at comment. Play na natin.
T-minus 15. T-minus 10. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go NASA Crew 10. Copy, 1 Alpha.
And liftoff of Crew 10 now soaring to the International Space Station. 1.7 million pounds of thrust now propelling Falcon 9 and Crew 10. And we're continuing to get good callouts on the first.
Ito po, no, habang ginagawa nating video ay 2 oras pa lang. Alam ko mga alas 7 ito pinalipad, no? Kaninang umaga. So, play ulit natin at tingnan natin yung kalalabasan. Mula ito sa video ng NASA.
On the first stage performance so far.
Papansin nyo, yung mga bagong rocket ngayon na gawa ng SpaceX, hindi na masyadong mausok, ano? Konti na lang yung usok na nilalabas. Hindi kagaya ng mga dating booster, no? Ng mga space na may sakay na space shuttle. Napakadaming usok po nun at haba nung buntot nung ano niya, no? At itong mga bago ngayon ay parang friendly environmental na rockets, no? At salamat sa mga bagong teknolohiya iyan ni Elon Musk.
We're now 40 seconds into today's flight.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Continuing to get good performance callouts.
Throttle down.
Yeah, we are throttling down the engines in preparation for
Max
Max
Q.
What great timing that was. We just passed through Max Q. That's the largest structural load that the vehicle will see on ascent.
So kita nyo po, ang mga rocket ngayon ay meron ng mga camera, no, na naka-attach doon sa palibot ng kanyang body, no, at yun ang mga bagong technology ngayon na gawa ng SpaceX na pinamumunuan ni Elon Musk.
Vehicle will see on ascent.
Vehicle supersonic.
We're now just over 1 minute and 10 seconds into today's flight, traveling at more than 1,400 miles per hour. And we just heard that call for 1 Bravo, which means we're in the second and final abort mode for the first stage, continuing to get good performance. And the crew already pulling over 2 Gs. Next up, we'll have a couple of events happening in rapid succession. First will be that initial of the second stage impact engine was heard. Then we'll have MECO, or main engine cutoff, where the 9 engines on the first stage will cut off ahead of the first and second stages. They'll be separating from one another. Then the single Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage will ignite and continue to carry Crew 10 to orbit while the first stage begins its journey back to Earth. Now we're just 2 minutes into today's flight. The vehicle is traveling just under 4,000 miles per hour.
We're just about 20 seconds away from those events that Anna just mentioned. The 9
So malapit na tayo doon sa second stage, no? Yung booster kakalas na mula doon sa isa pang rocket na kung saan doon nakasakay yung mga astronaut. So play uli natin yung video.
engines will shut down here in just about 10 seconds for MECO, stage separation, and SES-1.
Main engine cut off.
SpaceX Dragon, 2 Alpha. Stage separation confirmed.
Copy, 2 Alpha.
Ayun. Yun po, kumalas na po yung second stage.
Great callouts and incredible views there on your left-hand screen. On your left-hand screen, you can see a view from stage 1.
Kita nyo mula dito sa mga camera dito sa lupa, dalawa na yung ilaw makikita nyo. Yung isa kumalas na at yung isa, yun yung pataas pa, papunta doon sa International Space Station. Papalitan na kasi nila yung crew doon at makakauwi na yung bago. Una, days lang dapat yun, pero umabot sila ng 9 months doon sa Space Station. Siyempre, masaya tayo dahil yung mga nagtatrabaho doon, makakasama na nila ulit yung kanilang pamilya. Makakauwi na ulit sila.
View from stage. Burn on the first stage, as well as the MVAC engine.
Kung makikita nyo, doon sa may booster, ayan, may camera dito sa gawing sa side kabila. Kabila naman, yung, ito yung inimbento ng SpaceX na hindi masasayang yung booster na yun at magagamit pa ulit. Kasi lalanding yon nang nakatayo rin, Hindi na yon mahuhulog lang kung saan-saan basta, So, dito dito ang China. Hindi pa nila na-invento ito. So, sa pagdating sa technology, high-tech pa rin at nangunguna ang Amerika.
Igniting on the second stage. Great views there. Now, the booster is in its boost back burn. This is the first of 3 burns as it makes its way back down to Earth. This will last about 45 seconds. And the crew, 10 crew, is still on board Dragon attached to Falcon 9 second stage, which you can see there on your right-hand screen.
And we're now 3 minutes and 20 seconds into today's flight. The vehicle is traveling about 6,500 miles per hour. They are on their way to the space station. And we did have that confirmation coming up of the boost back shutdown. And then coming up at the T+6 minute mark.
So ito po yung 4 na astronaut na papalit doon sa uuwi naman kasi yung babalik na yung isang crew at papalitan nila yung isang crew na naka-assign doon sa space station at sila naman ngayon yung karelyebo kumbaga sa trabaho ito ulitin ko, binubuo ni Anne McLean, Nicole Ayers at isang Japanese na si Takuya Onishi at isang cosmonaut. Russia po ito, si Kirill Peskov.
And there we have our first images of the crew inside the Dragon spacecraft as they make their way into orbit.
Dragon, SpaceX, nominal trajectory.
Continuing to get good call-outs.
SpaceX Dragon, copy nominal.
Stage 2 continues to be on power with in its firing until we get to that second stage engine cutoff around the 9-minute mark of flight.
Around the 9.
Kung makikita nyo yung kabilang side, konti na lang yung buga kasi wala na halos gravity doon. So, konti na lang yung puwersang kailangan para makatravel sila papunta doon sa International Space Station. So, itong isa, kinokontrol naman paunti-unti habang bumabagsak. At buo itong babalik doon sa kung saan nilaunch yung rocket na ito. Pero ito po, hindi na babalik na sa pinaka-launcher talaga. Malapit lang sa area, pero nakatayo po.
Minute mark of flight. 5 minutes of flight to go before Dragon will be flying free.
will be the landing burn for the first stage. That's coming up here in about 30 seconds.
Dragon SpaceX, nominal trajectory.
So, yun po, nakikita nyo, medyo malapit na isa, no? Nahahagip na nung camera, no? So, dito, medyo matagal video para mapaikli po natin na pupunta na po tayo doon sa halos lalapag na yung booster, ano?
Again, great call-outs for
Dragon, copy nominal.
Confirmation there from the crew as they continue to make their way into orbit. Now 7 minutes into today's flight, the first stage making its way back down to Earth, and the second stage continuing to fire.
This is an awesome view. Let's see if we can see the center engine relight for that landing burn here in a few seconds.
So, yan na po, no? Makikita nyo sa gawin dito na yan po yung lalapag at babalik sa ano. So, tingnan po natin ano, kung gaano ka-successful itong launch na ito ng SpaceX.
Seconds. There's that landing burn. Let's watch as Falcon 9 touches down on landing zone 1.
So, napakagaling po, ano? At ito, maraming beses to tinesting. Meron sa dagat at bumalik at nag-launch ulit at bumalik ulit doon sa barko kung saan nil-launch. Ano. At ito, kasi buhay ng taong nakasalalay dito. Noon, wala yung kasamang tao. Ang pinapractice lang nila dito, yung pagbalik ng booster ng isang rocket. Ano. At para yon ay magamit ulit. No, yun malaking katipiran nyo kasi yung dati bumabagsak na lang sa dagat yon. No? Hindi ko alam kung nire-recycle siguro yung bakal pero yung rocket wala na. Pero ito pwede nilang magamit ulit ito. Lalagyan lang ulit nila ito ng fuel. So hanggang dito na lang po at maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsaksi sa isang breakthrough sa larangan ng rocket, no? Na itong rocket na ito, imagine, may sakay itong tao, no? Hindi basa-basa at hindi dapat magkamali, no? Maraming beses nang nagkamali ang NASA. Yung una, may sakay pang mga tao at napapahamak. Sayang po ang buhay ng tao. Nagpahalaga po tayo sa ating buhay. At sige po, hanggang muli, ito po ang Awi Mix Videos. Maraming salamat po.